Hi, welcome to this very short demonstration of sort formula. It's one of those new formulas I've been doing a video series and blog post on. So this is the outcome of the unique formula that we talked about in the previous post, and this is how sort works. Unique gets me the unique values in this list of products, right? But then it's not sorted. So if I wrap this formula in sort, right, you'll see that it comes out sorted. So that's the unique thing about sort. That's a play of word, but that's the interesting thing about sort. The fact that you can give it as input outcome of another array formula, right? And it doesn't end there, right? I can decide to say I want to sort this entire table. So that's one other special thing about this formula and all of the other formulas I will be talking about in this new series. They allow you to work on a range of cells, an array, right? So I can decide that this I want to sort it, maybe to make it easier for you to follow along, right? Let's do this formula dialog box, the FX, and I can decide that I want to sort it by a particular row or column. In this case, I want to sort it by a particular column. I want to sort it by column 1, 2, 3, 4, total sales. So that way it arranges for me in the decreasing order. I see the product with the highest sales before I see the product with the smaller sales value. And then here is where I specify ascending order or descending order. I want in descending order, so that is a -1. And then do I want to sort by column or do I want to sort by row? I want to sort by row, not by column. So I'm going to put false or I ignore. So you see, if you ignore, then it's going to sort by row. So once I do OK, voila, it's done. So that's the interesting thing about sort. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, and if you think you need to up your Excel skills, do visit our website www.yourbizedge.com. Okay, thank you.